Yo everyone, this is Kirk Roldan, and today I'm very happy and excited because at last, after a long months of creating a strategy, today is the day that we are going to train our staff for this new strategy that we created, we strategized for months and also tested websites before applying this to our clients. So here's the thing, like we don't have any exact strategy, we don't have the same strategy for each businesses, for each client, because industry is different, right? Your e-commerce strategy is not the same with your local business strategy. Your casino clients has a different strategy for e-commerce clients, correct? So it's not the same for each of our clients. And time goes by, you need to tweak, you need to strategize, and you need to update your strategy to be updated in today's Google AI era. And this is what we are doing. I created strategies for long years already. And for a few months now, I came up, I strategized, and also I tested this strategy for our test websites. After we found out that the strategy that we tested works, then this is the right time for us to apply this to our clients. And all the strategy came from me and also our strategist. However, every department should know and understand why we are doing this. So today I'm very excited because I'm going to educate, train them to all our staff. And I'm excited. Later I'm going to show you our chief of operations who's training the technical department for the new strategy. Here's the thing. If the SEO company that you are working with right now, if they have a strategy come from 2022, this 2026 won't work anymore. You need to make sure that that SEO agency can provide you results for your client. If not, then leave that agency because they cannot provide you results after all. Because SEO keep changing now all the time. Not to have exact strategy for years and then you expect for results. And right now, we have an AI. We have a generative engine optimization, AIO, and there's a lot of things that you can do right now. So a lot of clients, they also want to be there in AI overview, not only in SEO, but in AI as well. That's also we implemented before and until now, but it's keep on changing. It's keep on changing, growing. So you can really be there on Google, in AI, as well as in SEO. So let's go. We'll go to our chief of operation because right now she's doing training for technical SEO, and I will go there and I will show you and sneak peek about our process. Let's go. So here we are right now, sneaking for our new technical SEO strategy. And here, she's doing her training for our staff. So earlier, she's doing GB training. Right now, she's also doing technical SEO. So you cannot see really what's in it, but later I'm going to show you. You cannot know this for now since this is pretty new and only few people know this strategy. To all our clients out there, we are going to implement this strategy to you, to your business.
Ayan, kasi meron na insurance here, meron na ding about, so dalawang parang redirected siya. Hindi na nila, ibig sabihin itong vlog.
I'm very excited with the new method because if you have a website that is really hard to rank, this strategy works for hardest keywords, niches. If you have a tank ranking for months or years, this method works really. Let's come here. I'll show you some of them, but only few. Right, Hi ka muna. Hi.
We have to create.
Let's hi first. Hi. So she's the one creating our new strategy for technical SEO.
Kailangan pala technical tip, meron na tayong...
I'll see you on the next video. By the way, if you're interested for our free SEO strategy, just go to kirkroldanseo.com and let's schedule a call. We are also doing white label SEO services. Let's discuss if we can help you or not. Thank you.